Hello everyone, welcome to ARC 160. In this exposed to Photoshop and Illustrator. Although Photoshop and Illustrator are used predominantly by photographers and graphic designers, it does have a translation into architecture. And so in this particular course, you will be learning Photoshop and Illustrator, but with a slight architectural slant. And it will help you if you are working in an architectural office or if you plan to transfer. So we will first get started off with opening a file in Photoshop or creating a new file. So if you want to open a photo to edit, all you have to do is open up Photoshop first, and you're going to go to your folder that is containing the photo that you want to open, and you can simply drag and drop onto the main window and you'll be able to open your photo. If you want to create a new Photoshop file from scratch, what you will do is you'll go to File and you'll go to New, and Photoshop will have some customized preset settings that you guys can use. So if you're editing a photo or if you're going to eventually print, they have slightly different settings. It's really not that big of a deal. I would probably just stay with the default photo setting and then pick one of these sizes. Please keep in mind that the sizes are really important in terms of your file size. So if you got 7 by 5, this is a photograph that is 7 inches wide by 5 inches tall. And most photos are probably going to be in this range, or 3 by 2 or 6 by 4. So you're going to pick a default photo size if you like, or if you want to do a very large photo, you could also change the size and the width and the height within this dialog box here. And again, if you don't have the right size and setup when you start your file, you can always change this on the fly, so it's not really that critical. The only thing that I like for you guys to keep in mind is the resolution. Higher the resolution, the larger your file size, and typically most printers can't handle 300 pixels per inch anyway. So if you want your workflow to be faster, of course you'll reduce some of your quality. I would highly recommend to reduce that to about 150 pixels per inch. So let me do that for now, and I'll just take the default size and go create, and then here we go. I also noticed this in new Photoshop where this really should show up white, and I'm not sure if on your screen on the video is showing up slightly yellow. It's certainly showing up slightly yellow on my screen. All you have to do is go to View and go to Proof Setup and just go to Monitor RGB rather than working CMYK. It's getting too technical, but it has to do with color balance and your monitor type and the light around your room. But without getting into that, just click Monitor RGB and you will get true like a white. And if I come here, I will do the same thing and go to Monitor RGB, and you should get whites and blacks. We did not actually edit the photo at all. It's just the way how Photoshop is representing this image through your monitor. Okay, we will see you in the next video.